to my new blog post 38. In this blog post, I'm going to discuss about organizational process assets with respect to organizational knowledge repositories. So let's start. So basically, the organizational knowledge repositories are used for storing and retrieving information, which includes configuration management knowledge repositories, which actually contain the versions of software and hardware components and baseline of all performing organization standards, policies and procedures, and any project documents. It also holds financial data repositories containing information such as labor hours, incurred costs, budgets, and any project cost overruns. Then we have historical information and lessons learned knowledge repositories, which actually includes project records and documents, all project closure information and documentation, information regarding both the results of previous project selection decisions and previous project performance information, and information from risk management activities. Then we have issues and defect management data repositories containing the issues and defects, statuses, control information, issue and defect resolution, and action item results. Then we have data repositories for matrices used to collect and make available measurement data on processes and products. Project files from previous projects, for example, scope, cost, schedule, and performance measurement baseline, project calendars, project schedule, network diagram, risk registers, risk reports, and stakeholder registers. So let's come towards our star question. So data repositories for matrices used to collect and make available measurement data on processes and products. So is that statement is true or false? So answer actually lies in this video. So please do not forget to answer the question in comment section of this video.